Everyone's buying these Amazon kitchen gadgets right now. They make everyday cooking faster, easier, and more efficient. But number 11 is the one I think you'll actually want in your kitchen. Prep fresh meals in seconds with the Genecook Salad Chopper with Bowl. Featuring a large 8.5-cup glass bowl, this handy food chopper makes chopping salads, onions, vegetables, and more quick and effortless. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and designed for easy meal prep, it's the perfect kitchen tool for busy cooks. All for just $20. Measure ingredients with precision using the Joseph Measure Up. This adjustable spoon handles both wet and dry ingredients with one simple tool, reducing clutter and saving time. Smart, compact, and accurate. Grab yours today for just $9. Keep your countertops clean and organized with the Zuli Kitchen Spoon Rest. Made from high heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, it holds multiple utensils at once while catching drips and spills. Perfect for spoons, tongs, and spatulas, this simple kitchen helper makes cooking easier. And it's yours for just $10. Keep your produce fresher for longer with the Wind set of 4 reusable fruit and veggie savers. Designed for avocados, tomatoes, apples, garlic, onions, and more, these handy food savers help protect cut produce while reducing unnecessary waste. Reusable and easy to use, they're a practical kitchen solution for keeping your refrigerator organized and your fruits and vegetables ready to enjoy. Keep your microwave clean and your food perfectly heated with this upgraded microwave splatter cover. Designed with a built-in water steamer, it helps retain moisture while preventing messy splatters. The integrated handle makes it easy to lift, and the 10-inch size fits most plates and bowls. Durable, convenient, and a must-have kitchen essential for just $21. Shred meat in seconds with the Chicken Shredder Tool Twist, the fast and easy way to prepare chicken, pork, or beef for tacos, sandwiches, salads, and more. Simply place the meat inside and twist for perfectly shredded results every time. BPA-free, durable, and super easy to clean, all for just $7. Simplify kitchen cleanup with the Magnetic Drainage Filter Basket 2.0 design. This magnetic corner basket catches food scraps, rinses produce with ease, and features a twist-open bottom for quick disposal, keeping your sink cleaner and more organized. All for just $22. Grate, shred, and zest with ease using the Lantana stainless steel cheese grater with container. Featuring 6 essential grating functions from fine to coarse, a built-in container with lid, and a sturdy stainless steel design, it keeps your kitchen clean and efficient. Compact, versatile, and easy to use. All for just $18. Prep garlic faster and cleaner with the Garlic Appeal Garlic Press, an all-in-one tool that crushes, cuts, minces, and stores garlic with ease. Featuring sharp stainless steel blades, a silicone garlic peeler, and an easy-to-clean design, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for every home cook. Get fresh garlic flavor in seconds for just $19. Slice and dice hard-boiled eggs with ease using the KITCHENDAO replaceable egg slicer. Featuring durable stainless steel cutting wires, dual direction cutting, and a sturdy non-slip base, it creates neat, uniform slices or dices in seconds. The comfortable handle makes prep effortless, while its dishwasher-safe design ensures quick and easy cleanup. Perfect for salads, sandwiches, and snacks. Cook with confidence using the Tempro TP19H digital meat thermometer. Get accurate temperature readings in just 1 second, while the motion-sensing wake feature makes it instantly ready when you need it. Perfect for grilling, frying, baking, and candy making, this handy kitchen tool delivers precision for only $13. Serve pizza like a pro with the 17 by 13.5 bamboo pizza peel cutting board 2-in-1. A stylish 2-in-1 pizza peel and cutting board made from durable bamboo. Featuring dual grip handles and a large surface, it's perfect for baking, slicing, and serving homemade pizzas with ease. This complete pizza accessory set brings restaurant-style convenience to your kitchen for just $34. Upgrade your kitchen with the premium Ravati RVH 82-22-33-inch undermount workstation kitchen sink. Crafted from durable 16-gauge stainless steel, This spacious single-bowl sink features a built-in workstation design with a cutting board and handy accessories for efficient meal prep and cleanup. The brushed finish helps hide scratches while adding a sleek modern look, combining style, durability, and functionality for just $649. Make perfectly shaped burgers every time with the Peak Bar Burger Press Patty Maker. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a comfortable wood handle, this non-stick press helps create juicy, uniform patties in seconds. It also includes 100 patty papers for easy stacking and cleanup. Perfect for BBQs, grilling, and homemade burgers, all for just $13. Organize your kitchen in style with the 5-tier kitchen fruit vegetable storage cart. Featuring 5 spacious rotating baskets, this versatile storage rack keeps fruits, vegetables, snacks, spices, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to access. The sturdy floor-standing design and smooth rolling wheels make it simple to move wherever you need extra storage. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, and dining areas, all for just $66. Bring dull blades back to life with the Longs & 6 in 1 knife sharpener. Featuring 5 sharpening stages and a cut-resistant glove for added safety, it quickly sharpens, restores, and polishes knives and scissors with ease. A must-have kitchen tool for safer, smoother cutting. Yours for just $20. Cook more with less effort using the NewWave Brio 15.5-quart air fryer rotisserie oven. Its spacious capacity and adjustable temperature range from 50 to 425 degrees let you air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and rotisserie with precision. Enjoy crispy, delicious meals using less oil while the versatile design makes it perfect for family dinners, snacks, and everyday cooking. Prep ingredients faster with the Bad Elite Mini Garlic Slicer. This multifunctional kitchen tool slices, shreds, and grinds garlic, ginger, and vegetables with ease. Featuring a built-in container for mess-free prep, it's compact, convenient, and perfect for everyday cooking. Save time in the kitchen and grab yours today for just $10. Keep your refrigerator neat and your eggs within easy reach with the Wakoy Auto-Rolling Egg Organizer. Its gravity-fed design automatically rolls the next egg forward as one is removed, saving space and reducing clutter. Compact, easy to refill, and perfect for everyday use, it's a smart storage solution that keeps your kitchen organized and your eggs protected. Take the hassle out of dishwashing with the Ermsen Large Slim Countertop Dishwasher. Its spacious 2-level rack fits more dishes, while the built-in 5-liter water tank means no plumbing or hookup is required. Featuring powerful 3-spray arm cleaning, multiple wash programs, and a convenient 12-hour delay start, it delivers sparkling clean dishes with minimal effort. Perfect for apartments, RVs, offices, and compact kitchens. Save space and stay organized on the go with the Sooklane 4 PCS collapsible bowls with lids. Made from durable silicone, these expandable food containers fold flat for easy storage and travel. Perfect for salads, snacks, lunches, and camping meals, they come with secure lids to keep food fresh. Lightweight, reusable, and adventure-ready. All for just $19. Grill, press, and toast with ease using the OSDBA Panini Press Grill, just $40. With adjustable temperature control and 1200 W power, it cooks sandwiches, meats, and more to perfection. The 180 degrees open design gives you extra grilling space, while non-stick plates and a drip tray make cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for fast, delicious meals at home. Upgrade your baking game with the wooden rolling pin 17.6-inch. Crafted from durable beech wood with smooth rotating ergonomic handles for effortless rolling. Perfect for pizza, pastries, bread, and cookies, this classic dough roller gives you even results every time. And at just $8, it's a must-have kitchen essential for every home baker. Make perfect breakfast sandwiches every time with these stainless steel egg rings. This 4-pack includes non-stick 3.5-inch griddle rings for frying eggs, pancakes, and more with clean, round shapes. It also comes with an oil brush and egg separator for easy cooking and less mess. Durable, simple to use, and only $10. Perfect for quick homemade breakfasts. Keep your essentials perfectly chilled or warmed with the Kulialai Mini Fridge. This compact 4-liter portable cooler holds up to 6 cans and is ideal for drinks, snacks, skincare, and makeup. With AC, DC, and USB power options, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, dorms, road trips, or anywhere convenience matters. Blend smoothies on the go with the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender 51172, featuring powerful stainless steel blades, a BPA-free 14-ounce travel cup, and a secure lid. It's perfect for quick shakes, smoothies, and healthy drinks anywhere. Compact, durable, and easy to clean. Keep your kitchen neat and organized with the Kitchen Edge Adjustable Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Organizer. Crafted from 100% sustainable, food-safe bamboo, this expandable tray adjusts from 19 to 33 inches to fit your drawer perfectly. Durable, eco-friendly, and stylish, it's the perfect solution for organizing utensils and kitchen essentials, all for just $62. Handle every kitchen task with ease using the food processor and blender combo. This versatile appliance features an 88-ounce food processor for chopping vegetables, grinding meat, and kneading dough, plus a powerful 800-watt, 70-ounce glass blender for smoothies, soups, and sauces. With 2 speed settings and a pulse function, it delivers fast, consistent results, making meal prep quicker and more convenient every day. Create perfect sealed meals in seconds with the CRIMPT Large Tortilla Sealer. Designed for 10 to 12-inch tortillas, it effortlessly makes tacos, quesadillas, and burritos without the mess. BPA-free and dishwasher safe, it's a quick, fun, and easy way to upgrade your everyday cooking. Serve refreshing drinks with ease using the LifeWit 2-gallon drink dispenser set. This large-capacity 2-pack is perfect for parties, featuring a convenient spigot, sturdy stand, and built-in ice core to keep beverages chilled. Ideal for juice, tea, soda, or lemonade, stylish, durable, and perfect for hosting. All for just $70. Bring the steakhouse experience home with the Artestia Steak Stone Set. Featuring 2 premium volcanic lava stones and elegant bamboo trays, it lets you cook steak, seafood, and vegetables right at the table. Enjoy sizzling, perfectly cooked bites exactly the way you like them, while adding a fun, interactive touch to every meal. Make egg preparation easier with this versatile egg white separator and beater. Designed to quickly separate egg whites from yolks, it also provides convenient beating and storage in one compact kitchen gadget. Made from food-grade materials, it's perfect for baking, cooking, and meal prep, helping you work cleaner, faster, and with less mess. Save space and simplify meal prep with this 3-pack collapsible colander set. Perfect for draining pasta, washing fruits, rinsing vegetables, and cleaning rice, these foldable strainers collapse flat for easy storage. The oversized draining tray adds extra convenience, making kitchen tasks faster and cleaner. Get this versatile set today for just $21. Cook healthier meals in minutes with the OXO Good Grips silicone steamer. Designed to fit a variety of pots, this flexible, heat-resistant steamer makes steaming vegetables, seafood, and more quick and effortless. Its non-slip handles ensure safe lifting, while the collapsible design allows easy storage. Upgrade your kitchen today for just $19. Strip corn kernels in seconds with the Dream Farm Core Peel. This clever, mess-free corn peeler glides smoothly down the cob, removing kernels quickly and safely without the hassle of a knife. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for salads, soups, and side dishes, all for just $13. Save and reuse cooking oil with this 2-liter oil filter pot. Featuring a fine strainer, fryer basket, cooking thermometer, and 50 wax papers, it makes filtering and storing oil simple and convenient. Made from durable stainless steel with a generous 68-ounce capacity, it's perfect for frying, bacon grease, and everyday kitchen or camping use while helping reduce unnecessary waste. Make delicious homemade waffles with the Amazon Basics 2-slice waffle maker. Its 700-watt design delivers evenly cooked, golden waffles with a crisp outside and fluffy center. The non-stick cooking plates make releasing waffles and cleanup quick and easy, while the compact design fits neatly on any countertop. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, and family treats anytime. Make bakery-style muffins and cupcakes with the Veneno 2-pack silicone muffin pan. Each 12-cup pan features flexible BPA-free silicone with a sturdy metal-reinforced frame for easy handling and reliable support. Perfect for muffins, cupcakes, and bite-sized treats, these oven-safe pans make releasing baked goods effortless and cleanup simple, thanks to their dishwasher-safe design. Create refreshing frozen treats anywhere with the Mamba manual snow cone machine. Its powerful 3-blade hand crank design quickly shaves ice for snow cones, slushies, and icy drinks. Compact and portable, it's perfect for parties, camping, and family fun. Complete with an ice cube tray and replaceable blades, it's an easy, mess-free way to enjoy homemade frozen desserts. Make kitchen prep easier with the blue Ginkgo over-the-sink colander. Its extendable design fits most sinks, letting you wash fruits and vegetables, drain pasta, and even dry dishes while saving valuable counter space. Durable, versatile, and perfect for any home kitchen. Grab this must-have essential today for just $19. Chop ingredients in seconds with the Aurocomb manual food processor. This portable 500 milliliters pull-string chopper effortlessly chops garlic, onions, vegetables, ginger, fruits, nuts, and herbs. No electricity needed. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for quick meal prep at home or on the go. Get yours today for just $13. Whisk smarter with the Joseph Twist Whisk 2 in one design. Easily switch between a balloon whisk for whipping and a flat whisk for stirring with a simple twist. Its silicone-coated steel wires are safe for non-stick cookware. Keep your kitchen countertop neat with the Utoplike teak wood dish drying rack. Its 2-tier design provides convenient space for plates, cups, bowls, pans, and pots, while the foldable construction makes storage effortless when not in use. Crafted from teak wood, this compact, space-saving rack is perfect for small kitchens and keeps your dishes organized while they dry. Organize your spices effortlessly with the Mustorn 2-pack pull-out spice rack organizer. Featuring a 2-tier metal design and smooth slide-out function, it provides easy access to all your seasonings. No drilling required, durable, space-saving, and perfect for keeping your kitchen cabinets neat and tidy. Make barbecue prep faster and cleaner with the Drip Easy Collapsible Barbecue Prep Tubs 2-piece set. Marinate, store, and prep food with ease using these extra-large tubs, complete with a cutting board and secure lid. Collapsible for space-saving storage and built for serious grill masters. Get this versatile 2-piece set today for just $100. Handle hot dishes safely and easily with the Soliter Plate Gripper Set. Perfect for Instant Pot accessories, air fryer pans, steamers, microwaves, and toaster ovens. These handy grippers help you lift hot plates and bowls without burns or spills. Durable, easy to use, and great for everyday cooking, this convenient 2-pack is a smart kitchen essential for just $20. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the large extendable dish drying rack. Featuring an adjustable design that expands from 16.93 inch to 26.57. This heavy-duty steel rack fits almost any sink and offers plenty of space for dishes, utensils, and cookware. Complete with a multifunctional drain board for easy water flow, it's the perfect countertop organizer. All for just $40. Protect your cookware and keep it looking like new with REZIVI pot and pan protectors. These durable 3D mesh pads prevent scratches, dents, and damage when stacking pots and pans. Available in 3 convenient sizes, they help extend the life of your favorite cookware. All for just $12.